Saturday morning still starts off with some rainfall over parts of the Western Cape, with a sunny forecast over the northern and central interior, but with the frontal system leaving behind cooler conditions over the central part of the country. The frontal system and the ridging high also allow for cloudy and wet weather to settle in over KwaZulu-Natal. We're still expecting a few thundershowers over the far northeastern part of the country, as well as some light rain along the south coast, particularly on Saturday evening. Now, the South African Weather Service have issued a warning for gale force winds along the coast between Cape St. Francis and Cannon Rocks, as well as a warning for high seas between Cape Columbine and the Kai River mouth, with a total sea of between 6 and 9 meters. Here's our rainfall probability map showing that wet weather along the KwaZulu-Natal coast with widespread rainfall in the forecast, with up to a 60% chance of thundershowers as we head towards the Lowveld, with that chance of rainfall decreasing as we head westward, with a slight chance of thundershowers still for Gauteng, as well as parts of the northwest and Limpopo, and a slight chance of light rain along that south coast, particularly on Saturday evening. Here's our maximum temperature map, where you can see that cooler weather extending all the way through to the central part of the country, with a high of around 20 degrees for the Free State, northern parts of the Northern Cape, as well as the Eastern Cape, 22 for Richards Bay and Vredendal, only 17 degrees for Cape Town, Sutherland with a high of 12. Johannesburg, Mahikeng and Bombela, though, all still remaining warm at 27, and Polokwane topping 32 degrees. As we head out to the west coast, you'll see a fresh southeasterly wind for Namaqualand and Alexander Bay, more of a southerly component to the wind for Lambert's Bay, with moderate beach conditions here, and we're expecting a 5-meter swell with wave heights between 5 and 7 feet. In the southwest, we can expect some morning rainfall with moderate beach conditions and a moderate to fresh southwesterly wind that picks up to 30 kilometers per hour for Cape Agulhas, with an open ocean swell of 6 meters with waves between 8 and 12 feet, mainly on the Cape Town Atlantic side, and smaller waves for False Bay between 3 and 5 feet. Along the south coast, we can expect a west-southwesterly wind to gust on Saturday. We're even expecting wind speeds above 60 kilometers per hour for Port Elizabeth, so poor beach conditions here, with a swell height of 6 meters and waves between 8 and 12 feet. Along the east coast, we can expect a strong southwesterly wind for East London and the Wild Coast, more of a fresh southerly to southeasterly wind for Durban and Richards Bay, but quite a large swell for this part of South Africa, and that's at 4 meters with wave heights between 3 and 5 feet.
News that moves. eNCA.com.